It's a new 2019 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. This Sierra was built for those that need a truck, a get-dusty, haul-anything heavy-duty pickup. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, auto-dimming mirrors, heated steering wheel, automatic transmission, trailer brake controller, electronic shift on the fly, and V8 engine. TruckTrend calls it a truck with class-leading power efficiency and smarts. GMC, it's not just a vehicle, it's a professional-grade tool. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.